Good morning to everyone. I am K. Satyanarayana, retired Additional Superintendent of Police, and now practicing advocate at Visakhapatnam and a writer on Alluri and his tribal legends. So far we spoke about two parts. The third part is this. How did they attack British government? How Alluri Sri Ramaraju and his tribal legends attacked the... How did they sustain? These people only 260 to 200. The world classic British force is about 1500 to 1700 people. They have been conducted struggle 1920 to 24. With the 2 years, how they sustained, how they attacked, how to restrain the British force. This is the biggest question before anyone. They are not simply 500, beginning 500 people are there, but at the last 15 lakhs they have spent. They used the even machine guns. All modern techniques, they used the communications, they laid roads. This means they requested the government to pass ordinance. This is the severity, gravity of this particular movement the Britishers took into their heart. How did they resist all these police force? Here I want to narrate. The first thing is that it is a people's movement. Out of agency, 200 villages were there. 188 people were participated in this particular movement. 36,000 people were there in those days. Almost every woman and child and youth and old, all were participated in the agitation. Pituri. What is meant by Pituri then? Pituri is a waging war against government to overthrow it by weapons, by doing armed struggle, by using weapons. This Pituri has been doing by tribals from 1800 to 1924, up to the Alluri Sri Ramaraju and tribal legends. The war begins with Parlakimudi, 1833, Parlakimudi Savara Revolution, and Rampa Revolution, and Golugunda Revolution, Subareddy Revolution. All these Pituris were there. About 15 to 16 Dwaram Sandraya, Lagarai Pituri, and Dwaram Sandraya Pituri, all were culminatively number about 15 to 16 were there. All the Pituris were different from this Pituri. In those Pituri, some extortion maybe is there, some destruction of people's property was there, but in this particular movement, Raju and his tribal band loved the people and treated the people as their children. They never did any wrong towards them. They never caused any damage to their property. They never looted any property from the public. And they treated the agency people as their beloved, loved people. And they never ventured to do any extortion. They never ventured to do any damage to their property. They never hurt anyone. Particularly, Raju and his band, they decided and proclaimed that, promised to themselves that they don't want to hurt the British people, Indian police or Indian authorities, since they are the employees. Tomorrow, if the government comes, they were also, policing is also required. Our government revenue department is also required. Forest is also, guards are required. So that they resolve not to hurt anyone. Under these circumstances, they got the people's heart. They attained the respect from all police forces. Police force also resigned for sake of they don't want to participate killing the Raju and his what we call tribal legends. So that it is a people movement, first one. So that they can continue for the 2 years without any break, with much more fear. They created terror in the minds of the British classic force. British by that time, they are ruling the entire world. Of such force, sure even to go for what we call raids. See, then what are the ways they have did it? Police station attacks. They have attacked the Krishnadevipeta, the first August 22nd, 1922, Sintapalli police station at 5 p.m., Krishnadevipeta police station at 2 p.m., and 23rd August and 24th August, early hours, 1924, Rajavamangi. These three police stations continuously, day after day, attacked and roughly about 26 weapons and lot of boxes of weapon, what we call rounds were collected, and clothes of the police were also took away. This way, and these three police stations, weapons were took away, and ammunition, arms and ammunition was also took away. Then onwards, they have conducted raids. They attacked on the several police stations, but they didn't get any weapons. That was the about eight police stations they have raided: Annavaram and Rampachodavaram, Paderu, Malkangiri. Like that, they about 8 police stations they have raided. But government concealed their weapons so that they have not got any weapons from the police stations. This is the one way of attacking the British force. Another one is that direct attack in Vanjeru, September 1922. They attacked the Inspector Treman Hari and Bastian, who is a deputy Tahsildar. They attacked, then they ran away on the particular day. One man was injured and killed, and others were left safely from the Vanjeru. This is the first shivering call by the Fituridars and warning to the British government. A second one is Vanjeru, the Damanapalli Ghat. In Damanapalli Ghat, the 24th September 1924, the Raju and his band waylaid and conducted an ambush and killed the great warriors like Aidar and Kawat. They participated in Lagaraj Pituri to suppress it, and Kerala Malabar Association and First World War also they have participated. They were ambushed and killed. They took away the weapons. Along with them 2 Indian officers were also killed. They also always what we call were the pistols of the Hyder cowards. And their box, a leather box used as a puja saman of him, that was there. They were killed, and that is the second incident, Damanapalli. And by this time, British government started shivering and started inquiring where we failed. But Armitage, IG and Bracken all were wrote to the reports to the government that we cannot attack or stop the Raju and his band with this force. They requested special force. Then like that they have conducted a Ramanpalayam attack was there, wherein police and directly police and Pituridars attacked. But unfortunate begin Damanapalli Ghat on 6th December 1924, wherein they are at an paddy field. Information was given by the people. The Keene and his 40 started hunting, and then they found the party and started firing over them. Here I want to tell, Happel, this Damanapalli Ghat fighting is revered because the military deposition of the Raju and his tribal band was surprising, most astonishing. See, only 5 people are visible, but hundreds of bullets were coming. They are firing like a water. Those bullets were not only the bullets were took away from the 3 police stations. Other places also they might have collected the weapons. How they fought. Really, for this I studied 5 years. Totally, I began my writing 2007, ended it 2021. Roughly, 15 years I took to gather the information and for writing. More particularly, 5 years, how these people, how this what we call Happel appreciated for this particular great military deposition warriors, Razu and his tribal band. See, when the Lewis guns, they're fighting with the Lewis guns and most 304, 303 guns, what they did was, 5 people ran away up to 150 yards, 200, 150 yards, and there 5 people, defenders, start standing there and firing over this particular British force. The senior raiders like Razu and Gantamdora and Endupadal and Veredora, the either side of the particular defense leaders, they get back. And while firing, such a way the deposition was there, such a way the lineup is there. See, the 5 people, until they safely reached at 150 yards, they firing with against the Britishers. They attacking, they stopping, they coming freely towards the Razu and his force. After that, these 5 people withdraw and run away up to the 150 yards. There the 5 defenders will take care of this particular British force for fighting. From there, they fight both the sides of the particular defenders. The Razu and his team and band left away again. Again, they took the 150 yards. Like this, 4-5 times they took. These depositions, these tactics, really wonderful. See, in the process, the 5 defenders out of 5 defenders, 1 might be died. Like 4 people were died. To protect the band of 60 people, 4 people were died. They decided how to protect the rest of the people by sacrificing themselves. These tactics really wonderful. We should salute even now for the great warriors. See, this way, Damanapalli got lost, attacked Razu, first victimization, first defeat Razu and his band.